Hi there. So today I decided to try cooking with the ZVS. And yeah, um, these are pieces of processed meat which I cut to size. Um, the way you cook with the ZVS, if you don't have some kind of pot or a plate, is to wrap the meat in aluminum foil, which is going to heat up. Actually, aluminum is one of the most efficient metals to heat up the ZVS. It has a very high conductivity, and this is the coil I'm going to use. As you see, it's pretty thick. And let me switch the lights on so you can see better. I'm using a tank capacitor of point 0.47 microfarads, and actually the more foil you put on, the better it's going to cook, the better it's going to be in efficiency. So I'm going to, it's actually pretty hard to do with one hand, but sorry for that, but I just wanted to show you what the meat looks before it's cooked. I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to switch on the ZVS. And I have a piece of wood here so that the aluminum foil doesn't touch the coils, or it's going to short them and probably burn out something. Okay, careful. Oh, it started to sizzle, and it's pretty awesome. And the amp draw is about 5 amps, which I think is about 250 watts or something. I don't know. I'm going, and this is 24 volts. So do the calculations. It's not so hard. Or yeah, I'm going to post the wattage in the video description. Um, MOSFETs are running actually very strange. They're actually pretty well. That doesn't happen usually. I don't know. It Yeah, and it started to smoke, and actually it smells very good. I imagine maybe in the future I would sell um, ZVS kits with MOSFETs and stuff for maybe if you want to go camping or something. It's pretty awesome to have an induction heater, maybe powered by a windmill or solar panels. I mean, at 5 amps, it draws a lot of current, but it actually cooked it pretty fast. And I'm going to switch it off in a few seconds. That smells very good. Mm. And I believe we are done. Or no, let it cook for a second. MOSFET can take a little bit more. Okay. MOSFETs are a little bit warm, but not so bad. That's it's actually very hot. That looks pretty good. There is a few pieces of aluminum foil, but that's not gonna kill you. That's awesome. Okay, I'm going to leave you and enjoy my meal.